All right, good afternoon. So we're here and we're still working on our I can statement. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems. And remember, we've been focusing on that expanded form because remember, when we get to fourth grade and we're doing 10,000 minus 7,049, we don't want to be drawing base 10 blocks for problems like that. So we're going to solve it using expanded form to get us ready for fourth grade. Let's look at our problem. Brian had 349 Legos, and John had 484 Legos. They combined their Legos to build a starship. How many Legos did they use? Okay, that's a lot. Let's think about this. So Brian had a lot of Legos. He had 349 Legos. John had even more Legos. Wow, John has been collecting a lot of Legos. He has 484 Legos. Now it says they combined their Legos because they wanted to build this ginormous starship. Combining is addition. So I know that's addition because I'm putting them together to build this starship. And then my question, how many Legos did they use? Okay. So after I combine them, then I could find out how many Legos they would use. So first thing, write that equation. What equation do we have? We have 349 plus 484, and that's going to equal our Legos that they used, or L, right? Okay, so use an expanded form, which we've practiced expanded form in first and second grade, so you can do it. I know you can. Just say that number slow. 349. And remember, it's a good idea to draw those columns so we're staying in our place value. And then we're going to combine it with John's Legos, 484. Okay, now we can add our ones place. Remember, we always want to start with our ones place because when we're subtracting, a lot of times if we don't, we sometimes make a mistake with regrouping. So we're going to start in our ones place. 9 and 4 is 13. Oh, can't have 13 in the ones place, right? We don't want 13 ones. So just for us, I'm going to put it in a different color. We're going to regroup here. We're going to leave our 3 ones and we're going to put that 10 from the 13 into our tens column. So 10 and 40, 50. 50 and 80 more is 130. Up. Once again, I'm not in my place, right? Remember we said this is our tens place. So we can't have that 130. So we're going to regroup. We'll leave our 3 tens or our 30. And we'll bring, I'll do this in red. Bring that 100 up here to our hundreds place. 100 plus 300, that's 400. And then another 400 will be 800. And now to put it back together, we just add our parts, 833. 833. Well, you might wonder, Miss Babalola, how do I know I'm right? Remember how we started our year with rounding and estimating? So we can estimate both of these add-ins to check and see if we are correct. So 349 rounds to 300 and 484 rounds to 500. And when we add 300 and 500 together, we get 800. So our answer of 833 sounds like it makes sense. So Did we answer our question? Let's check. The question was, how many Legos did they use? They used 833 Legos. So I have a sentence that answers my question, how many Legos did they use? I made sure that my answer made sense using that estimation strategy. So I can see that, yeah, I got that question right. So I want you to try your own word problem. Just, if you want, change the numbers, roll a dice, pick your favorite number, add them together, see what happens. But I want you to practice that expanded form like we've done here. All right? Thanks.